Hello and welcome back to another video by Scene for Cars. Today I have a little walk around about the new Tesla Cybertruck. As you can see, it has a huge window wiper. This is how to get in. I mean, there are many edges who are quite dangerous, like here you can easily scratch your fingers bloody, but elsewise quality inside is way better than it was before in those cars. Well-known steering wheel of Tesla. You see the Cybertruck itself and here as well. A lot of foot room underneath there. Storage for your mobile phone here, and wireless charging, storage for some cup. So more storage down there. This thing in my hand is a little bit flimsy and you can easily like put it this way, so it's just, I don't like that, but otherwise it's very good. Here everything is controlled by this huge display, of course, and the most important feature is down there, and that's exactly this one. Like, yeah, most important feature in a Tesla. Here I can open the front, for example. Yes, that's it. I can open many other stuff as well, but yeah, not too important. Let's see the front. I can fit in this front, and I'm 1.7 meters small. Let's see the boot. And before we boot, let's see the second rear seats. They're actually quite spacious. As you can see, this is not my position, it's even a little bit backwards, so, and I've still a lot of leg room, a huge panoramic roof, as you know from all the Teslas, some touchscreen over there to control the climate and stuff, and music. Yeah, nothing special, but quite good. The windows open fully and they're flat with this line, but they're quite small, like you see, it's a little bit more than my hand. When this thing back there is closed, you can't see out of it. And this mirror is very tiny as well. But yeah, let's go to the trunk and see what's that like. So you can open it here, or you can't. Yeah, it opens automatically, fully, and also this one. And it's quite big, to be honest. And there's even more storage down here. Yeah, you have to close it by yourself. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.